Good morning, all. Today we discuss regarding the Power BI. So, for the study of a Power BI, first we go for the Power BI documentation. Just you click on this first link where it gets how learning of Power BI. It provides us a Power BI documentation. In that, first you need to go to this particular get started where Power download Power BI desktop. Okay, and these are some instruction you must be follow, and after that you are able to download and install the Power BI on your system. After that, what exactly the Power BI do? So the question is, what is meant by Power BI? Okay, so regarding the Power BI, it is a software service. It is a collection of software service, apps and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated source of a data into coherent, visually immersive and interactive insights. These are the terms that are very important when we are using a Power BI software. Okay, so it means that it means that हम अगर ये पावर बीआई का यूज क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमारे पास मल्टीपल सोर्स ऑफ डेटा अवेलेबल है और हम मल्टीपल सोर्स ऑफ डेटा को अगर फेच करते हैं, तो अगर हमको पावरफुल इंटरैक्टिव इंसाइट्स अगर देखना है इन फॉर्म ऑफ अ ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, सो दैट वी आर यूजिंग अ पावर बीआई टूल. जैसे कि समझ लीजिए कि हमारे पास एक्सेल शीट है, हमारे पास अगर क्लाउड बेस्ड प्रीमाइसेस अवेलेबल है, और हमारे पास अगर कुछ डेटा सर्वर्स अवेलेबल है, तो अगर हमको वहाँ से अगर हमारा डेटा आता है और हमको कुछ उस पे एनालिसिस वर्क करना पड़ता है, तो उस समय पे हम पावर बीआई के थ्रू हम वहाँ पे एक अच्छा विजुअल विजुअल प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं यूजर को. तो पावर बीआई की स्पेशलिटी क्या है? पावर बीआई इजीली कनेक्टेड टू डिफरेंट डेटा सोर्सेस. पावर बीआई बहुत सारे डेटा सोर्स को इजीली कनेक्ट हो सकता है. Okay, so and visualization is very impressive in the form of Power BI. So we just look in that. Now you look in this case. These are the three parts. There are the Power BI parts that will be showing that Power BI application on the desktop, Power BI application on a SaaS as a software as a service, and you also look that Power BI application is on the mobile devices. Okay, so it is a picture, it is a representation that we are saying that how the Power BI is look like. Okay, so for that, so suppose I am taking, first I have to install the Power BI software on my system. So what I have to do, first I go to the Power BI download section, Power BI desktop download, this is the query, and just I click on this particular Power BI option. Then it moves towards the Power BI option. Okay, it's some issues with the network. So now the I will move through this Microsoft website. Okay, so now here is the uh, download center for the Power BI. Now you have to just choose your the language, whatever the language you prefer, and just click over here the download. Okay, for before that you just check which version and which Power BI system you get in this particular case. So you just know the what is the system requirement for installation of the Power BI. Okay, and here are the some instructions that they are provided to install the how to install the Power BI. Simply you just is download this particular Power BI software on your system and just click on the exe file, and then you have to install the software. After that, it look likewise. Suppose you, in my case, this is the Power BI application. This is the Power BI application. ओके।